Welcome back to the Parker channel. We're hanging out in the desert and look at all these birds. They're swarming everywhere. What are they? I'm thinking they flew up from Mexico, right? What do you think, Glenn? I don't know. That's my best guess. Really, I think these are the birds that what do they call them? That go up to London Bridge and make nests. What do they call those? They're everywhere. We've had rain all morning, and we finally got out in the razor. Look at this picture. Do they call those swallows? Is that what it is?
No, they're pretty small.
Those aren't dove.
No, they're not doves.
My friend Glenn's up, so we'll get some video while he's here. Usually I don't get any video at all. We're just having too much fun. There's no time to get video, but this time we're gonna get video. I'll try to bring as much as I can.